There are more than 275,000 infections worldwide and more than 11,000 deaths. Italy crossed a grim milestone this week, surpassing China as the global epicenter of the pandemic. But there is some encouraging news about the caseload. Ian Lee is in London.
Good morning. Europe continues to struggle to contain the coronavirus. More countries are now ordering non-essential businesses to close. And when you think it can't get any worse for Italy, it does. Patients on life support in an Italian hospital. So too is the country's medical system. In the last day, 627 people have died, making it not only Italy's deadliest day, but the deadliest day worldwide since the outbreak began. Advice from Europe's epicenter: flatten the curve.
If you slow it down enough, you can take care of people. Otherwise, any health system will be overwhelmed by the mass of sick people in 1 or 2 days.
There's no glad handing for the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. The royal couple visited an emergency dispatch center in London. The government here recently asked 65,000 retired doctors and nurses to report for duty. At cafes, pubs, and restaurants, it's last call as they've been ordered to close.
I understand the pubs being closed, but 6 months is a bit of a long time to not go to a pub. For us English person especially, we all live for the pubs, I believe. And I think if the pubs close, then the world's just going to go insane.
The world is shutting down, with empty streets from Baghdad to Bogota and London to Lisbon. Japan is feeling growing pressure to cancel this summer's Olympic Games as athletes practicing social distancing train from home. But in China, life begins to return to normal. Ruthless tactics to stop the pandemic seem to have worked. Wuhan, the virus's epicenter, reported no new cases for the third straight day. The communist government is now shifting to deliver aid to hard-hit countries, a move to gloss over its initial failure to contain a local virus, now on a global scale. It's been 2 weeks since the first confirmed coronavirus death in the UK. Since then, the death toll has risen faster than Italy over the same period, leading some to fear the Italians could be giving us a glimpse of the future here. Dana?
Ian Lee in London. Thank you, Ian.